Namaste Andy. This is regarding a very humble request to the Honorable Young and Dynamic Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, and also the district officials of Nellore district. Manandariki telusu, when the COVID second wave surge was at its peak, there were patients crying for oxygen. There were patients not able to pay the exorbitant fees that the hospitals were charging. And lot many complaints across the state have come forward before the authorities. And the same exorbitant fees being charged is also taken up before the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh. The government, under the leadership of beloved Chief Minister, has taken a decision at a point of time that if any private hospitals are charging more than stipulated, as in GO number 185, and if any private hospitals are not admitting patients in Aarogyasri, then very explicitly our Honorable Chief Minister has clearly explained, which has come out in the media, and also directed all the district authorities to take strict penal action on those hospitals. This government has a welfare objective, and that welfare objective has to be implemented in toto, in letter and spirit, by the district authorities. While the complaints have come across the state, in Nellore district also, there were so many complaints that were lodged, both by the public and by the HELPS group, which is a voluntary group of people trying to help patients find their needs during the course of pandemic. At suitable times, members of this HELP group have also submitted memorandums, submitted SMSs, submitted mails as appeals or submissions stating the positions or stating the issues that the public are facing. And for some, definitively, there were actions taken by the district authorities. But to the point of leasing of money, to the point of charging exorbitantly, to the point of private hospitals extorting money, to that point, the district authorities, I believe, in my opinion, have been a little dormant. Don't know the reason why. The district administration has to be to the side of the public, has to listen to the grievances of the public, have to implement in letter and spirit the GOs that have been issued by the government of Andhra Pradesh under the leadership of beloved Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. But it was quite contrary, I suppose. Maybe the district authorities had some pressure from any quarter, I don't know. But recently, it is come in public domain that there was a penal amount of around 13 lakhs that was put on the hospitals, which amount is clearly absurd. The kind of complaints that have come, the kind of complaints that were noticed in the media, the kind of complaints that we as HELPS group volunteers have surfaced before the DMHO and the district collector for all those offenses or for all those issues, we all believed that there would be much more penal action that would have been taken. In compared to the other district where penalties were imposed on hospitals which were not complying to the government orders in letter and spirit, when compared to that, this is negligible in the Nellore district. 13 lakhs isn't quite proportionate at all to the kind of complaints that were made to the district authorities. The district authorities are obligated to be very transparent enough so that the public understands what offences were committed by these hospitals and how proportionately is the penalty imposed. We from the HELPS group, after taking up issues both with the district authorities and the hospitals, have tried to stand by the patient's side, and in some cases we have got 9 lakhs as returned by the hospitals to the patients. And 13 lakhs penalty, when compared to even the work that the volunteers have done, is quite surprising, is quite questionable. So, I request the district authorities to look into in granular as to the sensitivity of the complaints that have reached the district authorities, the kind of public opinion that is there on a quite number of hospitals in Nellore district, and to gauge the kind of public opinion that would get generated as non-trustworthy for the 13 lakhs penalty that was imposed. The district authorities have to look into this matter and then reassess the kind of penalties that they have imposed so that they gain public trust. We have seen the first wave, we have seen the second wave, and don't know for sure as to if there would be a third wave at all or not. But if there are no exemplary penalties that have been imposed on these hospitals, which have either used the lacuna or used the side doors for extorting money from the patients, and if the penalties were not imposed by the district authorities on them, it is for quite sure that these hospitals would take this as a precedent and would do as they like if at all there is a third wave at all. Public are watching. Public understands what is happening. So, let me take this moment to request the district authorities to reassess all the complaints that have reached their tables and to impose penalties which are quite exemplary, so that the district administration gains the trust and public opinion from the people. It is through the district authorities that people understand the governance at the state level. If the district authorities are not working properly, then all the name, all the opinion that gets generated in the public quite gets segregated towards the government at the state level. And I do not think we need to get that bad name to the government. The government has taken action. The leadership has shown its will. The leadership from the Honorable CM has delegated the authority to the district nodal officers and to the district medical health officers, and it is for them to tell to the hospitals the voice of the Honorable Chief Minister and then provide some solace to the patients. Respected CM sir, I would request your audience that an inquiry be made or inquiry be directed into what are the kinds of complaints that have come to the table in Nellore district, and see the proportionality of penalties that have been imposed on those hospitals, and if your office believes it's correct, then we respect you, sir. Else, I humbly request you, sir, that stringent action be taken on those officials who have not been on their line of duty, who have not taken the side of the public, but stood in the shade of the hospitals, wherein the hospitals were collecting financial gains. With due respect and very humbly, I am submitting this appeal to the Honorable Chief Minister and the very dynamic leader whose will is the welfare of the people. Thank you, sir. Namaste.